Ngasigi tangdu leitadraba landam ase santi purakpa ningtama purakpa oisunu haina wahodok oina hodokjari. Aina hajagadoribase democracy-gi mating lawjaraga isagi aningba apamba khajiktang phongdoksage. Soikiba yaurabasu pangjadraba apokpa nacha nanawni khanduna ngakpinaba khubak changjau taraga loinana ikok malem leida tana khurumjari. Ahanbada yamna nungaiba amaromdana thamoi sokpa kanglaipak asida pokchaba machin manawgi marakta manadaba mityeng yengbase kanglaichasingi thamoida penjade. Aikhoigi luchingba Narengbam Samarjit mahakna London da chattuna kanglaipak India dagi ning tamle hairubagi damak mahakpu mahakki mathakta FIR panba NIA da sinaba IPC section na chingba panbiri. Aduga kanglaipak asida pokpa muibana makutta khulai paiduna Nagaland da chattuna kanglaipak mayokta leibadi FIR pandaba NIA da sinadaba IPC section na chingba pandriba karigi. Asigumlaba michang mikhai naiba thawong ase kanglaichasingi thamoida pendaba kholaw kaya lawrak karigumba kharada kanglaichasingda ucharke.
I have read out all the series of killings. There's more than 1,587 cases pending in the Supreme Court of India, and in the extrajudicial killing and the fact encounters and the rapes and everything and the extortion is being, and our news is not being published in the world. It's a purely totally manipulating. And even they are not following the charter of the Human Rights Charter. India government is not following the United Nations Human Rights Charter. Because when you calm down, when you see, your medias, the world medias reach to the state of Manipur, you will feel something terrible. It's really 150 days blockade, national highways. And now they are talking with a peace talk with the armed groups. And they are separation, and we are going to be distinct from this whole world. And we raise our voice to the whole world that we are also, the peoples living in Manipur are also human beings. If the world is treating us as a human being, the whole world should respect our history. So we need support from all the humanity of the world.
Just wanted to make sure I understand correctly. You made this.
Aikhoigi Athouba Narengbam Samarjitpu kanglaichasingna support tobiduna kanglaipak ase hanagum ningkha tamna mikha pondana hingminnasi. Kanglaipak na yaifare maitei pokpi ima leibak na yaifare